Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to disable background applications in Windows 10. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the bottom left hand side here to your taskbar and click on the search box. You'll then want to type in the box background apps. Once you've typed that in, the background apps will appear. You want to left click on this and then your background apps should open. Now I just want to show you all the current background applications running on Windows 10. As you can see, I have all these applications here, all currently running. Now, if you do want to have certain applications off and you want to turn certain applications on, you'll need to do that manually, one at a time. However, I have no interest in any of these applications, so I'm going to simply turn it from on to off. And this should speed up your computer significantly and reduce resources. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, be sure to give me a like, comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.